Hi there, my name is Tim Pott and welcome to the wonderful world of designing books. I'm an illustrator, published author and lecturer in graphic communications. Part of my day-to-day work involves teaching InDesign all the way through from beginners to advanced university students. This has given me a wide range of skills in knowing just what it takes to get anyone started creating beautiful publications. Writing, illustrating and designing books has been a passion of mine for many years, and in this video tutorial I want to show you all the necessary skills it takes for you to put your own book together from start to finish. In this course I'm going to teach you InDesign to a really high level and also touch on the basics of scanning and image manipulation in Photoshop, which are essential skills to scan sketches and drawings or illustrations and photographs and make them appear as bright and crisp and clear in your InDesign document as possible. InDesign itself is an essential tool for anyone who wants to present a professionally designed mock-up to a publisher, and having that mock-up can really help you get ahead of the game in getting that book deal signed. So whatever you've got inside of you, a children's book, a recipe book, an educational book, let's not forget that non-fiction, all the skills I'm going to show you in this course are transferable between genres, whether it's fiction or non-fiction. This course is for complete beginners. There's no need to have any experience of InDesign or graphic design for that matter. Along the way, I'm going to introduce you to some theories and ideas that are more typically taught at university, but this is going to be done in a bite-sized and easily understandable and manageable way. I'm going to give you the exercise files so that you can work alongside me as I take you through the stages, step by step. I'm also going to put in my final InDesign file so you can unpick what I've done and compare it with your own.